for this DIY recipe, you have to buy coca mama geta and for cocktail, then malunggay slice in whites and mixed with the sinaing. So yun, later on we'll put the mango on the top para mas presentable siya as mango sticky rice, but it's enough for now. You should try it. It's very tasty and I really love when it mixed with condensed. And I also made a smoothie and a fruit salad. Diba nakatipid ako, imbis na mag-restaurant, nagluto na lang ako. Tara, shot tayo. Smoothie nga lang. Hindi nag-aalak ang ate nyo eh. Just, miss you all. Best regards and virtual hugs to all. Ako naubos nito.